Hey guys, it's Tiffany and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe. I would love that. You will get notified anytime I upload a new video. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That would be great, you know, help me out. I am going to be doing an updated hair curling tutorial today, and it's kind of like me testing it out as well. So I actually cut my hair recently. It's not a lot. My hair is still pretty long. As you can see now, my hair kind of just goes to here, whereas before it was definitely more down towards my stomach. And I also brightened it up a little bit, and I got some layers. I got more of like a swoopy bang going on, and so just overall, it's a lot different than what it was the last time I filmed this, I think a year ago. So I am just gonna be doing like an updated hair curling tutorial. I definitely want to try it out to where I get a little bit more of like a wave effect, not so much like super curly. So we're gonna see how this goes. So the key to any great hairstyling is the base product that you're going to use, which is a leave-in conditioner for me. Now I have changed a couple times. The other leave-in conditioners I used to use, they were like sprays, and they cost like anywhere between $20 to $25 a bottle, and I had to order them online. So I stumbled upon this one from Target called Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 Hair Perfector. It smells like so fresh, so fruity, not fruity, but like just like fresh and like amazing. And I tried it and it works amazingly. So I actually spray this in as soon as I get out of the shower, and I'm gonna blow dry my hair, and then I also spray it in again before I start styling my hair with heat. And this is gonna make your hair moisturized, it's gonna protect from the heat, it'll make it shiny, and it just makes it smell really good. So it's a win-win all around. I went ahead and sprayed that in. I just kind of like run my fingers through it, and I'm just going to brush my hair a little bit. I've been using this round brush recently. It's just like a small round one. I use it when I blow dry my hair just to kind of smooth it out, because it's got a metal plate on the inside, which I guess helps with like smoothing your hair and everything like that. So I'm just going to kind of touch up my part a little bit. Next, I'm going to separate my hair like I do. So I'm just gonna separate it from the back in the middle, pull it to the side. I'm going to use one of my hair coils to kind of keep this at bay. I've been using these hair coils now instead of a regular hair tie, and it is amazing. It doesn't pull your hair, you don't get hair tangled within it, and it also doesn't kink your hair, so that's why I'm using it right now, so I don't have a kink right here when I pull it out. I am going to be using this 1 1/4 inch rose gold barrel. It works amazingly. It's got ceramic style metallic plate, which helps with shine, I found. And I am just going to go ahead and separate my hair a little bit from the bottom, as you can see, pull that down. And then I'm going to take a clamp, and I'm gonna clamp that up there. And I am just going to start curling. I'm gonna start from this piece up here, whatever the highest piece and the farthest back is what I start with. And then I'm going to clamp it on and just kind of slowly pull down. Now I really want like a looser, beachier wave curl. I don't want like a tendril. So I'm actually gonna stop probably right about here and leave all of that out. And that's what's gonna give you more of like that loose beach wave look, as opposed to such a structured curl. So it's, you can see it's like almost an inch left out, probably a little bit more. And then for a second, I'm just kind of gonna hold it up, because I have heard that whatever shape a hair cools in is kind of the shape that it will hold. So I'm just gonna hold it for like a couple seconds and then let it down. And I have tried this a couple times, and I found that my curls are a lot bouncier, they stay a little bit longer, and you can see that bottom just kind of like goes out a little bit. I might leave a little bit more out on the next one. And I'm just going to repeat the process. And this is kind of like trial and error, you know, see what works best for you. Like that one, I think I need to leave a little bit more out, because it still was kind of like curled under, so I'll probably leave about that much out this time. Just kind of experiment, see what works for your hair, see how much hair that you can put in the barrel. For me, this is kind of like the sweet spot where it's not too thick for the barrel. And then I'm just release, grab it up, hold it. And if you're wondering, I have my hair styler at 380 degrees. It goes all the way up to 430, so it's almost at the max. And then kind of let it go. And I like how it has like that super bouncy wave, and at the bottom it comes out. I'm just gonna keep repeating this process on my head. And once you get the feel for it, you can kind of go a little bit quicker. You can see I just kind of like spun that in. Finished the first side, and I can already tell that this is the first time I've really held my curl each time, and I can already tell it has helped tremendously with the overall shape and bounciness of the curl. I can never really achieve this. And then also I really like how it looks with me keeping over an inch out of the barrel. I think it just makes it more fun looking, less like super uptight, like a rounded curl, and it just gives it more, I feel like, oomph. So we will see how the rest turns out. And that is it. I think it turned out pretty good for my first time, like really curling my hair with my new haircut and my layers, and the first time I ever like held my curls like that. And I think it really did help with the bounciness of the curl. I think it just gave it like a nice texture to it. I love how I left like over an inch out, because I think it just gives it like a nice wavy look instead of like a tendril curl. And yeah, it was super easy to do. All you need is that spray, a hair elastic, a clip, and a 1.5 inch barrel. And it took me probably less than 20 minutes to do this hair tutorial. So it's super quick, super easy, definitely something that even a beginner can do. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want any other hair tutorials, please leave a comment down below on what you would like to see and I will definitely do it for you. I love doing hair. And yeah, I hope you guys liked it and I will see you in the next video. Bye!